Look at how close I am and look at how beautiful he is. Can you see his buddies up ahead of me? I'm just gonna float along and maybe they won't notice me. How cool is this? Well, I turned on the camera so you could dig out on some of this crazy island art that is now festooned all over someone's house. How neat is that? Got about a mile to go, and other than being up really close to some really cool birds, you can see how pretty it is out here today. How lucky these people must be to live on this river. Amazing, huh?